And now we're off to Nook Vibrant Kitchen in Galt, Ontario.
My name's Maddie, the owner of Nook. We are a plant-based meal delivery service. My sister has been tackling a pretty intense health issue for the majority of her life. Modern medicine couldn't fix it. It wasn't until we figured out what food can do for your body when she actually started getting better. So when I finished school, I decided to open up a little juice shop. My first company was called Juice Company. We make cold pressed juice.
This is fresh out of the machine.
Yes.
I don't have the words. My brain's just gobbled up in veggie goodness.
Yeah.
A little juice shop turned into, oh, let's make some smoothies, and then, oh, okay, then let's make some salads, and then rebranded to Nook.
Nook is a plant-based meal delivery service that covers the area between Ajax, Aurora, and Hamilton. And Maddie loves educating her customers on what's in their food.
The majority of my label is telling them something interesting about the majority of the ingredient. That's my thing. I want to make comfort food that's like unbelievably healthy for you. You don't think that it's healthy for you, you just think that it's good.
And speaking of good food, Maddie has promised to make me a snack.
We're going to make a riff on peanut butter cups.
I'm in.
But the best part about these is that we are going to use turkey tail mushrooms. Essentially balance out your hormones in your body. So it just looks like that. And it's actually a pretty mild flavor. What I really like about them is that you can hide them into things like a peanut butter cup.
So we're making a treat for our tongues and our bodies.
Exactly. And also, we're not using peanuts. We're using pumpkin seeds. We're also gonna add an avocado to it. Healthy fats, good fiber, great texture.
Making a mess.
That's okay.
So we're just gonna add the coconut oil because it needs a little love.
We're gonna start with like 1 tablespoon. This is also amazing because you can make this beforehand and then you put it into a jar and then you have pumpkin seed butter. All right, I think we're happy there. Let's add both these avocados into the blender. Let's add half of the pumpkin seed butter that you just made.
Ready?
Yep. So the fat from the avocado is going to make it more of that filling that we're looking for.
Creamier.
Exactly, much creamier. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Oh no, I got some on my hands.
It's so good.
All right, so now we're happy.
Yep. This is the best part about plant-based food. The ingredients, they're so good for you, and then you get to make treats out of them. Put this over here, and we're gonna make the chocolate base. So this is just a very, very simple vegan dark chocolate.
And do you mix it with a little bit of coconut oil?
Yes. Coconut oil gives chocolate that like shell-like texture.
Just enough to it.
Just enough to cover the bottom. Now that we have the first base, we're gonna go pop this in the freezer. We're now taking our very funny green sludge that we made, and now we add the mushrooms to it. So we're just gonna mix it around, and we're just gonna let it sit until our chocolate is frozen, and then we're gonna make little discs out of it. So now simply we scoop out the middle.
And then just smooth it out.
I like going all the way to the edge because I like seeing the
Like a
layers.
sandwich.
Exactly.
So these are set now.
Pry it open.
That one, look at this. Who likes the filling? So now I guess we have to try them, right?
Now we have to try them. Let's try this one.
Doink.
Cheers. They're so good.
That's the sound of happiness.
That's what I mean. You still get a treat that feels so decadent, yet it has all of these things in it.
And the mushrooms are in here too, I just remembered that. It's so satisfying, and this is a school-safe snack because, you know, pumpkin seeds.
Yeah.
So good, thank you.
It's good.
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.